Hello everyone. How are you all? Welcome to Mahdi English School online education. I'm glad to see you again in a new session of mathematics. Let's begin our class with a good thought. Thought for the day is: a good education is a foundation for a better future. Very deep meaning thought. A good education is a foundation for a better future. Best of luck for your bright future. Welcome to the new session of mathematics. Today I am again here with revision of FA1. Today we will make the whole revision together. So first of all, let me introduce with the paper style. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. Take the notebook and pencil in your hand and note down with me. Question 2. Add the following. Question 3. Subtract the following. Question 4a. Word problems. Question 4b. Dodging tables. So, you all are ready, my dear students? Now, write the heading with very beautiful handwriting. Question 1. FILL fill INTHE the BLANKS blanks. Fill in the blanks. Have you completed? Then leave one line and then write with me. First blank is 6 minus 4 is equal to dash. Write the numbers properly. Write with very good handwriting. I am waiting for you. Have you completed? So we can solve. 6 minus 4 is equal to a dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 4. This sign indicates that we have to cut out or take away 4 from this 6. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see, how many objects are remaining? 1 and 2. We can say that 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Have you completed this? Leave one line and then move. 7 minus 6 is equal to dash. FP number 2. 7 minus 6 is equal to a dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 6. Minus means to take away or cut off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now look at the screen. How many objects are remaining? There remains 1. That means 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Have you completed, my dear? Very good. Leave one line and then write next FB. Number 3 is 9 minus 6 is equal to dash. Have you completed this? I'm waiting for you, huh? Very good. Now let's solve the FB. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus 6. Take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see how many objects are there? 1, 2 and 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Have you completed this? Is your handwriting good? Very good. Now leave one line and then write next FB. Number 4 is 10 minus 6 is equal to dash. Write down this with a good handwriting. 10 minus 6 is equal to dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minus 6. Take away or cut off 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There remains 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Is the work completed in your book? Is your handwriting good? Very nice. So, this was the revision of question 1. Fill in the blanks. I hope you all have completed. Now, write the heading. Question number 2. Add the following. I am waiting for you. I hope you all are writing with me, huh? Write the heading. Question number 2. Add the following. Completed? Very good. Again, leave one line and then write. Look at the board. We have the sum here. 7 plus 2 is equal to what? This sign shows that we have to add. Look at here. Here I have 7 objects. You want to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what we have to do? We have to add 2 more to it. 7 plus 2. Let's do it. 1, 2. Now, as we are doing addition, we have to count all these objects together to find out the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. How many objects are this? 9. Then tell me, what should I write here? Who will give the answer? Gabrani Fatima? Ayan? Who is ready to give the answer? 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Write this answer in the box. Completed? Then leave some space. Draw the line with the help of scale. And then write the new sum. 6 plus 5 is equal to dash. As you have seen on the screen that we have 6 objects here. Now we have to add 5 more to it. First of all, have you completed this? Have you written this in your book? If not, then copy this. Okay. Now let's add 5 more to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now who will tell me? What should we do? I'm waiting for you, huh? As we are doing addition, what we have to do? We have to count all these objects together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Write the answer in your book. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Have you completed this in your book? I am waiting. I am giving you 2 seconds to complete this. Note down this in your book. Till now, first we have completed question number 1. Fill in the blanks. I hope you all have completed. Then we start question number 2. Add the following. You all are with me, na? Now leave some space and write a new sum. Look at the screen. What is the sum? 4 plus 4. That means, as you have see on the screen, that here we have 4 objects. 4 plus 4 means we have to add 4 more objects. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what should I do? Who will reply? Think in your mind and count by yourself. Count loudly. Very good. Have you completed your counting? Can I start my counting? Look. Now tell your answer. Is your answer right or not? Okay, my dear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Whose answer is right? Who will tell me? Compare your answer with my answer. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Make sure that your numbers should be in sequence. Okay? Have you completed all the sums? Very good. Now, write this heading on a new page. Write the heading question number 3. Subtract the following. What is the heading, my dear? Subtract the following. I am waiting for you so that you can complete your writing part. Okay? I hope you all have completed now, huh? So, leave one line and then write. Look at the screen. There is a sum 7 minus 5. So, first of all, we need the 7 objects. Count with me. Count loudly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 5. What does this sign indicate? That means we have to take away or cut off 5 objects from this 7. Okay? You have to count with me, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see how many objects are remaining. 1 and 2. So what should I write here? 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. I am waiting for you so that you can complete this work in your book. You all are writing with me, na? Sit straight at your place, my dear students. Very good. Have you completed this? Your handwritings must be good, huh, my dear? This sum is 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So, is your work completed? Very good. Move on to the next sum. Write down in your notebook 10 minus 7. Now, you have to keep this thing in your mind that you have to write the 7 just below the 0. 1 0. 10 minus 7. Completed? Very good. Now let's solve the sum. You have to count with me, and say loudly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 minus 7. Now who will tell me what should I do? I have to cut off or remove 7. Now count with me loudly, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now look at the screen and write down the answer by yourself. Now after I count, you can check your answer. Is it okay or not? I'm waiting. Done? Have you written this in your book? Now see. 1, 2 and 3. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Whose answer is right? Now compare your answer with my answer. Look at the screen, my dear. Very good. Whose answer is right? I hope each and everyone write the proper answer, So leave some space and write the new sum. Look at the screen, my dear. There is a sum 8 minus 3. What is the sum? 8 minus 3. So have you written this? Your handwritings must be good, Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 3. Take away 3. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Now see how many objects are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What should I write here? 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Very good. Whose answer is right? Well done, my dear students. I hope each and everyone write the proper answer. So this was the revision of question number 3 at the following. Now who remembers what is question number 4? In the beginning of lecture, I explained about the whole paper style. Who remember it? Let me explain again. Question number 4a, word problems. You have to understand how to solve the word problems. Have you copied this? Very good, my dear. 7 turtles swimming in the river. 3 more join them. How many turtles in all? To solve the sum, first of all, we have to prepare the equation. Look, how many turtles are there? 7. 3 more join them. Means 7 plus 3. Done? Very good. Now, by adding 3 to 7, we get 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now tell me one thing, what should I write here? How many turtles in all? So we have to write this answer in this blank. 10 turtles in all. Completed? Shall we move? Very good. 8 flowers in a vase. 5 more are put in. How many flowers in the vase? There are 8 flowers in a vase. So while preparing the equation, first we have to write 8. 5 more are put in. So we have to add 5. 8 plus 5. Look, this is the equation which we have prepared. 8 plus 5. What will be the answer? 8 plus 5 will be 1, 3, 13. So what can we say? We can say that there are 13 flowers in the vase. This was the revision of question number 1 to 4a. Now it's time for tables, as our question 4b is dodging tables from table 1 to 3. So today we are going to read and write all the 3 tables. Get ready with your notebook and write the tables with me. Okay? First we will write table of 1. Are you all ready? Is the pencil in your hand? Very good. Then write with me, 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 sixes are 6. 1 sevens are 7. 1 eights are 8. 1 nines are 9. 1 tens are 10. This was table of 1. Now write the heading table of 2. As today we are going to revise all the 3 tables. Table of 2. You have to write with me, huh? Two ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. This was table of 2. Have you completed? Very good. Now on a new page, write the heading table of 3. Read and write with me, huh? Three ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. This was the revision of all the 3 tables. Okay? Now it's the time to take homework. Note down the homework. Write table 1, 2 and 3 one time in your homework book. Stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture with a new topic, a new exercise. Till then, bye bye everyone.